Okay.
What?
I don't know, we just got done block sanding.
We just got done block sanding. Cheers.
Cheers.
The bus looks dusty.
It's dusty, but you might not see. It's smooth.
So smooth. How smooth?
Very smooth.
So now the next step is this, and then to sleep, and then
To sleep. These are our sanding beers.
These are sanding beers.
These are sanding beers.
So sanding beers.
So sanding beers.
There's literally a beach of dust on the floor and some leaves.
Those are leaves.
Because it is fall. Autumn.
Autumn.
It is so autumn.
Autumn. Autumn.
You're so autumn high.
Autumn.
That's the name.
Optimus Prime.
That's that guy's name.
Okay. Bye-bye.